It's become a competition between who's going to get my food. Pai Mei or Bowie? No, Pai Mei. Sit. Yes, good boy. Leave Bowie alone. What's Pai Mei doing? What's he doing? He got bored. He's going away. He's looking for scraps. Yeah. Yes, it's good. Can't eat my food.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Okay.
No. You can't eat my food. No.
Okay.
I'm not going to share.
Okay.
Then go back.
Okay.
Everything is okay?
Okay.
Bowie, no.
Okay.
You gotta go back, okay? It's yummy, but I can't share it with you.
Okay. Okay.
Go back. Are you laughing? What was that? Yeah, it's good. Hey, Pai Mei, what you doing? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where's Pai Mei?